Are you ready to transform your kitchen into the ultimate cooking haven? In this video, we're showcasing 15 innovative kitchen gadgets that are not just practical, but absolute game changers. From simplifying meal prep to maximizing storage, these tools are here to revolutionize your kitchen routine. And guess what? You can find all the product links conveniently in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting kitchen gadgets, tips, and hacks. Let's dive in. Pull Chop Chopper. Say goodbye to messy and time-consuming chopping. The Cuisinart Pull Chop Chopper is here to simplify your meal prep. With its powerful pull mechanism, this chopper quickly dices vegetables, fruits, or nuts in seconds. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the sharp blades ensure precision. Whether you're whipping up a salad or prepping ingredients for a recipe, this tool gets the job done effortlessly. A must-have for every busy kitchen. 2. Jiway Dish Drying Rack. Streamline your dishwashing process with the Jiway Dish Drying Rack. This sleek and durable rack offers plenty of space for plates, utensils, and even glasses. Its stainless steel design is rust-proof and built to last, while the integrated drainage system keeps your countertop clean and dry. Perfect for small kitchens or large families, it makes post-meal cleanup a breeze. Add it to your kitchen now. 3. Momo Bamboo Cutting Board. Upgrade your cutting game with the Momo Bamboo Cutting Board. This eco-friendly and durable board is not only stylish but also incredibly functional. It features built-in grooves to catch juices, keeping your countertop spotless. Plus, its natural bamboo surface is gentle on your knives, ensuring they stay sharp longer. Whether you're chopping veggies or slicing meats, this board is a kitchen essential. 4. Gashel Noodle Board Stove Cover. Maximize your kitchen space with the Gashel Noodle Board Stove Cover. This multifunctional gadget doubles as a decorative tray and an extra counter when your stove isn't in use. Made of durable wood, it's perfect for rolling dough or setting up a snack station. Its sleek design complements any kitchen decor, adding both function and style to your cooking area. 5. Dreim Foret Mat. Keep your sink area spotless with the Dreim Foret Mat. Designed to catch splashes and drips, this mat fits snugly around your faucet. Made from high-quality, quick-drying material, it prevents water spots and mildew buildup. Its compact size and sleek design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. No more messy countertops. Get this handy gadget today. 6. Kimhan Drawer and Shelf Liner. Protect your shelves and drawers with the Kimhan Drawer and Shelf Liner. This non-slip, waterproof liner ensures your surfaces stay clean and scratch-free. Easy to cut and customize, it's perfect for any space in your kitchen. Plus, it adds a pop of style with its elegant design. Practical and chic, it's a must-have for organized kitchens. 7. Boozan Dish Drying Rack. Say hello to the Boozan Dish Drying Rack, a game changer for drying dishes. With multiple layers and compartments, it holds plates, bowls, and cutlery effortlessly. The rust-resistant design ensures durability, while the integrated water tray keeps your counters dry. Its modern look adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Simplify your dish drying process today. 8. NIFGA Clear Plastic Storage Bins. Organize your pantry like a pro with the NIFGA Clear Plastic Storage Bins. These stackable bins are perfect for storing snacks, spices, or baking essentials. Their transparent design lets you see what's inside at a glance, saving time and effort. Durable and easy to clean, they make pantry organization a breeze. 9. Tess Sink Caddy Sponge Holder. Keep your sink area tidy with the Tess Sink Caddy Sponge Holder. This stainless steel holder is perfect for storing sponges, brushes, and dish soap. Its ventilated design ensures quick drying, while the suction cups provide a secure hold. Compact and stylish, it's a small addition that makes a big difference. 10. Cuisinart Electric Fondue. Pot set. Elevate your dining experience with the Cuisinart Electric Fondue Pot Set. Whether it's cheese, chocolate, or broth, this pot makes dipping easy and fun. It comes with adjustable heat settings and color-coded forks for a seamless dining experience. Perfect for parties or cozy nights in, it's a crowd pleaser. 11 Vtop Mart stackable storage drawers maximize space with the Vtop Mart stackable storage drawers. These versatile drawers are perfect for your pantry, fridge, or countertops. Durable and easy to use, they help you keep everything in order while saving precious space. Transparent and stackable, they're a dream for any organized kitchen. 12 NIFGA paper towel holder convenience meets style with the NIFGA paper towel holder. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, while the sturdy base ensures stability. Easy to load and use, it's perfect for keeping paper towels within arm's reach. A small touch that adds big convenience. 13 Edison measuring cups. Precision is key in cooking, and the Edison measuring cups have you covered. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these cups are both durable and easy to clean. Their clear measurement markings make them a reliable tool for all your recipes. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect measurements. 14 Subcu dish drying mat. Protect your countertops with the Subcu dish drying mat. Its absorbent microfiber material dries dishes quickly while keeping surfaces dry. Lightweight and easy to store, it's a practical solution for everyday use. Stylish and functional, it's a must-have kitchen accessory. 15 Circular Non-Stick Roasting Pan. Make cooking a breeze with the Circular Non-Stick Roasting Pan. Perfect for roasting meats, veggies, or baking, this pan ensures even cooking and easy cleanup. Its durable non-stick coating makes food release effortless, while the sturdy design ensures long-lasting use. Elevate your cooking game today, and there you have it, 15 incredible kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below, so grab your favorites today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips and gadgets. See you in the next one.